What's going on, gang? We hanging out, going to pick the X6M up. We on the highway right now. In the big boy X6M. M6, I apologize, guys. I'm about to get kicked out the car. But you already know if that carbon fiber on the side mirror, you already know she wrapped, guys. But we going back to actually drop this car back off at Wraps for Less too, guys, because as soon as we got the car back, you know, we were at the stop sign. Somebody pulled up a little too far and scratched up the back bumper a little bit. So the back bumper is gonna get rewrapped. Then I'm gonna do a full reveal on the M6, guys. But we on the highway right now, headed over to pick the X6M up. It's supposed to be done today. So in a couple of minutes, you guys gonna see that X6M with that True Blood wrap on that. And I'm gonna give you guys a little sample of what the M6 look like with all this beautiful carbon fiber on it. You know, but I don't want to show you guys the whole car until we get that back bumper finished, and that'll probably take like a day, and then I'm gonna do a full reveal on the M6, guys. So, you know, we on the highway right now, like I just told you, getting over here to Orlando. Listening to the big homie 6 code. Yeah, YouTube, you can't flag this. So I'll be right back with you guys soon. Alright, gang, we right here at Wraps for Less. This is actually the owner's car. You see, she even have Wraps for Less on her tag. And this is the emboss I was telling you guys about. Getting the M logo embossed inside of the wrap. And this is called Mermaid, Gloss Mermaid or something, guys. But the M6, the X6M is done, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. M6 also got done at Wraps for Less. Here it is, beautiful. The color, what the color called again, JT? A Nosatec Midnight Purple. We had a full carbon fiber kit on there, guys. And I'm not gonna show you the back because we got in a little incident and we're getting that fixed now, guys. But I'm gonna show you the rest of the car. It came out gorgeous, right, guys? Those are the new grills. This is the same grill I'm gonna be running in the X6M. So, tinted headlights, tinted tail lights, carbon fiber on the rear spoiler, carbon fiber rear diffuser, carbon fiber side skirts, mirror caps, and signal change. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, guys. So tell me what you guys think about it. Alright, gang. If you seen one of the last videos, I told you guys about the M steering wheel button. It finally came in, so let me know how you guys feel about it. My personal opinion, I think it look good. You know, it's kind of like a brushed aluminum M logo. You know, kind of like the Alpina. You buy Alpina BMW, it's gonna come with an Alpina logo on the steering wheel, guys. I think it looks great, guys. And I'm gonna show you something else I did. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not. You know, I'm still debating on whether I want to keep it or not, but it looks good in the car. I don't got my key, so let me unlock this door on this side and I'll show you from inside the car. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not, but it looks good. Little emblem over there. So let me know what you guys think about that too. You know, I'm definitely thinking about rocking with that. You know, big M gang. There's one over here, one over there. Well, I mean, it is a lot of M signs in here though. They don't let you forget. One on the dash, one down here from the factory, and one on the shifter from the factory. So it's 3 in here from the factory, but they're all about the same size, a few centimeters. You know, so this is gonna definitely, like, you know, demand recognition when you get in the car. That's gonna demand recognition from the passenger side. So, you know, let me know what you guys think about that. Also, my new license plate name came in, guys. I switched from the Beamer the Beamer 6 that was on the 650 and put the suffer tag on there, because you line up next to this thing, all you gonna do is suffer. You know, it's gonna be nothing but pain and suffering. I wanted to get the assault tag, but they had a problem with the name. You know, I told them like assault vehicle meaning, but you know, older people that work at the DMV, they thinking about assault beating your wife or something like that, you know, so they didn't let me get it. So I had to run with the suffer tag, but it's just as menacing, you know. So I'm gonna do a exhaust video coming up here soon, guys, because I'm gonna get the exhaust done soon, and I want you guys to get a sound clip on how this car sounds with just the downpipes versus the full free flow straight pipe. You know, this is gonna be the first BMW X5M, X6M, pretty much M SUV on YouTube with a true straight pipe, straight from the turbos back. Nothing there, no resonators, no mufflers, no cats, no nothing. Just like a water hose, guys, straight all the way pipe. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video today, and I hope you guys liked the way the wrap turned out. You know, leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and auto lust out.